Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving deep into the Bhagavad Gita, specifically chapter 1, verse 22. This verse from Arjuna not only reflects timeless wisdom but also offers valuable insights on self reflection and decision making. Let's explore the key lessons we can draw from this important moment in the text. In this verse, Arjuna expresses his wish to see the warriors eager to fight, highlighting his need to comprehend the magnitude of forces assembled before him. Arjuna's desire to understand his opponents brings to light a vital aspect of decision making. Understanding perspectives, gaining insight into others' motivation is crucial for making informed choices. This understanding fosters empathy and awareness during conflicts, humanizing conflicts. By recognizing the individuals behind the opposing forces, we remember our shared humanity. This perspective encourages compassionate approaches to resolving differences. Gathering information. Knowledge of our opponent's strengths and weaknesses empowers us to strategize effectively, ensuring better planning and action. Arjuna's request signifies a commitment to the face of truth. Acknowledging the situation, he seeks to confront the harsh reality of the battle. Accepting reality is the first step toward making choices, moving beyond ideals. Transitioning the theoretical knowledge to practical implications is essential for genuine growth and understanding. Embracing discomfort. Often, facing reality involves confronting uncomfortable truths, which serves as catalyst for personal development. This moment is also about introspection, self-reflection. Arjuna's wish to see his opponents highlights the importance of inner contemplation. It's crucial moment for aligning actions with personal value. Purpose-driven action. Clear intentions guide purposeful behavior, acting as a moral compass through complex situations. Emotional clarity. Understanding our emotions related to a situation is essential for making decisions that align with our true selves. Let's break down the steps of effective reflection. Pause. Taking a moment to stop and think can prevent hasty actions that we might regret later. Contemplate. Deeply consider the situation and its implications, weighing the pros and cons. Align. Reflection helps ensuring our actions align with our personal values and beliefs. Act. Once we have reflected, we can take informed action, leading to more purposeful and effective outcomes. How can we implement these lessons in our daily lives? Daily reflection. Set aside time each day to introspect to nurture self-awareness and personal growth. Conflict resolution. Use these principles in disagreement by seeking to understand the perspective of others before reacting. Goal setting. Clarify your intentions before pursuing your objectives, ensuring they align with your values. Continuous learning. Regularly seek knowledge about different viewpoints to broaden your understanding and promote empathy. Finally, let's consider the broader impact of these teachings. Timeless relevance. The lessons from the Gita transcend time and culture, providing guidance for modern ethical dilemmas. Personal growth. Applying these insights fosters self-improvement and leads to a more thoughtful and harmonious life. Societal impact. Individual growth can positively influence society, promoting understanding and compassion within communities. Spiritual journey. These teachings are stepping stones on our spiritual path, guiding us to our highest consciousness and self-realization. Thanks for joining.